In 2020, CB Insights and Statista released their unicorn valuation lists. Each research firm used different parameters. For example, CB Insights omits offshoots of larger companies such as Ant Financial and Alibaba, and JD Logistics and JD.com, while Statista's list was limited to only leading unicorns in China. KrASIA put together a list of the 10 highest valued unicorns from China that included a wide range of industries like fintech, shared economy, logistics, entertainment, robotics, and real estate. At the top of the lists, valued at around $125 billion, is Ant Financial. The firm's initial product was Alipay, a payment processing service launched in 2004 by Alibaba, before being spun off from the tech giant. Their mobile payment service is one of the most widely used in China and has over 1 billion users across the globe. Some of their other services include credit scoring, insurance, wealth management, and loans. The company is also expanding abroad. In January 2020, it applied for a digital banking license in Singapore. And in India, it invested in food delivery company Zomato. Valued at $75 billion, ByteDance has leveraged technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning to create a line of addicting smartphone apps. These include Jinri Toutiao, an online news aggregator, and short video app Douyin, which has an equally popular international version called TikTok. While TikTok has generated controversy due to security and privacy concerns, it was the world's most downloaded non-game app for the past 2 months, according to analytics firm Sensor Tower, and is considered as one of the biggest challengers to giants like Baidu, Tencent, and Facebook. Valued at $56 billion, Didi Chuxing is China's largest ride-hailing platform, with more than 550 million users. It's received financial backing from the likes of SoftBank, Tencent, and Alibaba. In the past several years, the platform has had controversies regarding passenger safety and allowing unqualified vehicles to operate. But before all that, it managed to defeat Uber in China and bought up its China operations. Despite losing a quarter of its drivers in Q3 of 2019, the platform still holds a commanding share of the ride-hailing sector in China. And the company sees a future in global expansion. The company launched Didi Food in Mexico in 2019 and has plans to launch similar services in Japan in 2020. Probably one of the lesser-known companies in the West, Lufax is backed by Ping An Insurance. Previously, one of their core services was peer-to-peer lending, but as the peer-to-peer lending market got out of hand, leading to corruption and risky practices, the government stepped in to crack down on online lending. The company has since scaled back its peer-to-peer lending business and has shifted their focus to wealth management, where they've become one of China's largest wealth management platforms. As of January 2020, the company was valued at $39 billion. Another financial tech service is JD Digits, an arm of Chinese e-commerce giant JD.com. Rebranded from JD Financial in 2018 and valued at around $18 billion, the company uses technology like big data, AI, the Internet of Things, and blockchain to cover a range of services in fields that include finance, urban computing, agriculture, and digital marketing. The company was recently named to Fast Company's list of world's most innovative companies for 2020 for its technology-driven solutions to improving hog farm management and efficiency. Valued at around $18 billion, KrASIA is China's second most popular short video app, after Douyin. Unlike Douyin's affluent urban and influencer demographic, KrASIA turned its attention towards small-town youth. KrASIA is also seen as a useful platform for e-commerce, where users can demonstrate and promote products. The company has also received backing from Tencent in its efforts to compete with ByteDance. Valued at $15 billion, DJI is probably best known as an industry-leading drone manufacturer. The company is estimated to hold 2/3 of the global consumer drone market. In recent times, however, Chinese-made drones have become targets of inquiries from US lawmakers who are trying to set more regulations over the technology. But DJI has plans for further expansion, which include launching their own stores within China, as well as a growing market strategy in Europe. JD Logistics spun off from JD.com in 2017. In addition to handling delivery orders from the e-commerce giant, the company also provides its parcel pickup and delivery services to outside companies and individual customers. In 2018, their losses exceeded $417.5 million, prompting the company to shift from providing base salaries and bonuses to performance-based pay for its couriers. According to a Reuters report, JD Logistics is looking into a potential listing in New York or Hong Kong in the second half of 2020. and as of January 2020, they're valued at $14 billion. Valued at $14 billion, according to CB Insights, Beike Zhaofang is an online real estate platform created in 2018 and an offshoot of Lianjia. Among its biggest backers are Tencent and SoftBank. According to a 2018 financial storytelling report, Beike's monthly active users exceeded 8 million after being live for only 4 months. The company aims to attract 100 million monthly active users by 2021 and is considering a possible 2020 IPO. Bitmain is the world's largest cryptocurrency mining equipment maker and is valued at $12 billion. The company failed to go public on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange in March of 2019. A US IPO later in 2019 also failed to materialize, and the possibility for one in 2020 is uncertain. According to Nikkei Asian Review, the company may potentially cut half of its workforce due to an upcoming Bitcoin halving to occur in May, which limits the rewards for new Bitcoin blocks mined by half.